me to make an observation. You have a pretty pissed off look in your face, similar to constipation. I'm always looking out for the hip-hop nation. So you wanna see the man fall? I'm gonna stand tall. Keep running your mouth, I'll smash